What if the Hilux you know was only a shadow of what is coming next? Imagine a redesign so wild Toyota never dared to show it until now. But wait, the real shock is just starting. Today we reveal the 2026 Hilux GR Sport updated, the bold transformation hidden for years. Are you ready to see what Toyota has been holding back? Let's begin with the exterior, because this is where the wild redesign hits first. The 2026 Hilux GR Sport arrives with sharper lines, a tougher stance, and a fierce new attitude. But wait until you see how these changes reshape its entire personality. Coming next, we look at the details that make this design so unexpected. The new grille, the wider body, the aggressive LED signature, and the sculpted panels all combine to create a truck that looks ready for battle. Every angle feels stronger and more confident. But wait, the real shock is still ahead. Stay tuned as we highlight the most dramatic exterior upgrade Toyota has ever given the Hilux. Now step inside, because the cabin brings a surprise even bigger than the exterior. The 2026 GR Sport interior feels more premium, more modern, and more focused on the driver. But wait until you see the interior changes coming next. Don't miss how Toyota blends rugged toughness with unexpected refinement. The digital cockpit, upgraded infotainment, new GR Sport seats, and refined materials make the interior feel like a performance machine. Everything is designed to elevate control and comfort. But wait, the real shock is how Toyota boosts practicality without losing its sporty feel. Stay tuned for the hidden features you need to see. Now let's talk power, because the heart of the Hilux GR Sport has evolved. The 2026 model brings improved tuning, stronger response, and better off-road capability. But wait, there is more coming next. Don't miss how Toyota increased both strength and efficiency in this updated version. With enhanced suspension, upgraded steering, and refined drive modes, the 2026 GR Sport feels sharper and tougher than ever. It handles rough terrain with confidence and smooths out daily driving with ease. But wait, the real shock is how balanced it now feels. Stay tuned as we break down the performance gains. Now here comes the part many have been waiting for: the price and market position. With all these upgrades, Toyota aims to push the Hilux GR Sport into a new league. Stay tuned, because the price will shock you. Coming next, we explain how this updated model competes in the 2026 performance truck segment. To understand the impact of this redesign, we look at the Hilux legacy, known for toughness, reliability, and global success. But wait, the 2026 model takes this heritage even further. Don't miss how this evolution honors decades of history while moving boldly into the future. The 2026 Hilux GR Sport Updated is more than a redesign, it is a bold new identity for Toyota's performance truck. But wait, because even more surprises are coming soon. If you love SUVs, don't miss what is coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Stay tuned for the next reveal.